We're going to do a little price prediction on the general crypto market. The general market itself is doing well. QQQ, SPY, the NASDAQ, and the SPY doing very well. Bitcoin is in a very interesting place. This is our daily chart. Last year in the summer, we came down, we touched 30,000. The beginning of this year, we came down and touched 34,000, and we're slowly climbing out of it. This is a level of a line that I drew back in January of 21, connected it in May of 21, and we're sitting precariously right at this level and breaking back out above. I think this is actually a very bullish signal for Bitcoin here. We are making a higher low, and we are on more of like a larger timeline, and then on the dailies here, we continue to make higher lows. We broke out above this support line here. We've come down and now we're proving it to be support, which looks really good if we can hold above the line for the day. I really think Bitcoin's got a chance to go to 100,000 here. I think we're looking at something very similar for Ethereum. Going back and looking at last summer for Ethereum, we hit at a low of like 1700, and I drew in this kind of line of support here, which was resistance on the way up and kind of turned into support. So this is my kind of support line here at around 2000 ETH. This January, we came down and touched 2100, and we've slowly been climbing out. Again, we climbed all the way out and above this level of resistance. People seem to gas off and begin to sell above this line up here above 3400, and rightfully so, people gassed off here, but we're making what looks to be a nice higher low. And if we can do that and break out of this range, I think again Ethereum with the merger coming up has a chance to go to 10,000 or higher. I'm very bullish on both Bitcoin and Ethereum, slightly more bullish on Ethereum for the use cases. I love decentralized finance. I love Web3 gaming. I love the use cases of smart contracts. So I'm very interested to see where things go. Currently, Ethereum is slightly outperforming Bitcoin. I hold mostly Ethereum in my portfolio. I also hold Alchemix, Curve, and Convex tokens as well when it comes to DeFi. And we also hold a little bit of AXS and some Axie assets, of course, our SolarBots and all our Web3 gaming. Right now, this is a very interesting time to maybe gas on a little bit and see if we can break out of this range. We could also break down, though. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. I'm a guy in my basement currently holding a joint, drinking some coffee, making price predictions in my basement. So not financial advice. Of course, we could go either up or down, but I'm bullish here. If we can put in a nice floor, I think we can break out of this resistance level and really make a run for it going into the merge for Ethereum. I think Bitcoin as well is looking beautiful and can really break out here. That's not to say that it can't break down again. It absolutely could break down again. This is the push and the pull between buyers and sellers, and we find ourselves at these precarious places between. So who knows what's going to happen? This is just my price prediction. I appreciate you watching.